In 2024, Weber brought us the Searwood Smart Pellet Grill, a standout follow-up to their iconic Smoque Fire series. But now, they've done it again, delivering exceptional performance at a more accessible price with their newest release, the Weber Smoque. The Smoque is built for versatility, with a temperature range of 180 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. From slow smoking brisket to searing the perfect steak, this grill truly does it all. Its newly engineered vent system circulates heat and smoke evenly, infusing every dish with unbeatable flavor. So what sets the Smoque apart from its sibling, the Searwood? For starters, its streamlined controller. With a single knob for operation, it's all about simplicity. Despite its compact design, the LCD panel remains highly readable, displaying key stats like grill temperature, food temperature, and timers. And with built-in Wi-Fi and Weber Connect integration, you can monitor and control your grill from anywhere. Whether you're mingling with guests or relaxing indoors, real-time updates are just a tap away. Inside the Smoque, Weber's innovation shines. Gone are the traditional flavorizer bars, replaced with a vent system that evenly distributes heat and smoke. Cleanup is effortless. Grease funnels into a removable drip pan, and ash is swept into a receptacle, no vacuum required. Just like the Searwood, the Smoque features Weber's Rapid React technology, recovering heat in seconds after opening the lid. It also reaches your target temperature in just 15 minutes. Need an extra smoky kick? Activate the Smoque Boost with a quick turn of the knob. Make it your own with Weber's Works and crafted accessory lines. Add a grill caddy for fewer trips to the kitchen or folding shelves for more workspace. Whatever you need, the Smoque adapts. The Smoque starts at just $699 for the 22-inch model, with the 34-inch XL priced at $899. That's a steal compared to the Searwood's $899 and $1,199 price tags. Affordable, versatile, and packed with smart features, the Weber Smoque is your ticket to mastering the art of outdoor cooking. Available online and in stores later this year.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.